Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your cloud storage with Box Security, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Box account. Navigate to your user settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, locate the Security tab in the left sidebar. In the Security section, enable two-factor authentication for added protection. To do this, click on the toggle to turn on two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to set up your preferred verification method. You can choose to receive a text message or use an authentication app. Once you have completed this setup, make sure to save your changes. Now, return to the Security tab to review your current sessions. Log out of any unfamiliar or old sessions to enhance security. Next, review the advanced security options available in Box. Consider implementing password expiration settings to ensure regular updates. You can also establish user permissions for shared files and folders. Set adequate access levels to limit who can view or edit your documents. Regularly review and update shared links to maintain security. Consider setting expiration dates for any shared links that are no longer in use. Utilize Box's built-in activity tracking feature to monitor file access. Enable notifications for any unusual activity in your account. Lastly, ensure that your computer and devices are secured with updated antivirus software. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your Box cloud storage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.